Hey Google, good morning!
Good morning, Molly. The time is 8 a.m. Right now in San Francisco, it's 41 degrees. Rain is expected today with a forecasted high of 54 and a low of 41. Your commute to work is currently 15 minutes by car. You have two events on your calendar. The first is breakfast meeting with Terry. By the way, you need to pick up cake ingredients at the Happy Grocer. Have a wonderful day. I found.
Hey Google, show me the first one.
Here you go. Let me know when you want to start cooking.
Hey Google, show me videos on how to make whipped frosting.
Okay, showing how to make whipped frosting videos.
Hey Google, show me the family room.
Sure, streaming the family room camera. Okay, here's the Spotify playlist called Chilled Pop Hits.